What's up guys, Major here. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up the Filmora screen, Wondershare Filmora screen app on your PC, 100% working in 2018. So I just want to use this opportunity to thank you guys for all the support you've shown on to me on the channel. I love you guys. Like, it's been dope. I mean, like, support is awesome, guys. Thank you guys for the support and everything. And if you're new here, just subscribe to the channel, share this video to your friends. At the end, if it helped you very well, just share it to your friends. Keep sharing, keep supporting the boy. It means the world to me, and I love you guys once more. So let's get started. So you also have to go to the directory where you pasted the file or where you downloaded the file. So the link to download this file will be in the description box. So just make sure you read it so you can download it if you need it. So just double click on it and then click yes, and then select the language you want. You can yes, Dutch, English, Espanol, Francais, Italiano, Portuguese, and French, and those, I think this is China or China, and then Korea. I don't know what that is, but I'm just going to be using English, and then click OK. Then it's going to take some time to launch the main app. It's going to take like a bit of the time, but let's see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've already installed this, but I'm going to do it again. So I'm just going to say yes to that, and then it's gonna, you have to read this. You have to read this. I mean, if you want to, but I'm not going to read it though. So just click as I have read and accept the agreement that I did not read. Okay, then click next, then select directory where you want the program to install. And then you must have up to 375 MB with this space. That is the requirement. Okay, and then click next, and then it starts installing the application for you. So let me check if my OBS is still recording, because it's cut out. The first video I was making for this, it's cut out, so I don't know. Okay, it's still recording. The first video cut out. I don't know why it did so. I don't know what's wrong with OBS. I just don't know. I just hope if Wondershare Filmora screen is better than OBS, that means I'm going to be recording gameplays with Filmora screen instead of OBS. So it's done, guys. What you have to do is I'm going to click no, actually, then I'm going to click launch. It's going to open my browser. I don't know why it does that. Okay, it did not open the browser this time around. And then what you have to do is you have to choose one. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, share this video to your friends, and I love you guys. Savage Crew Major out.